Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to download and use Google Calendar app on your cell phone, step by step. Whether you're completely new to the app or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you get started and make the most of your calendar. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Take your phone and open the Play Store app. That's the one where you usually download apps. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it. Step 2. Type in the words Google Calendar app and hit the search button. Once the results appear, look for the official Google Calendar app. It's usually the first one on the list, with a colorful calendar icon made by Google. Tap on it and then press the install button. The app will now begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a minute or two. Once it's done, the install button will change to open. Step 3. Go ahead and tap Open to launch the Google Calendar app. The first time you open it, the app might ask for some basic permissions, like access to your calendar or notifications. Just allow them. You'll be automatically signed in using the Gmail account that's already linked to your phone. And just like that, your calendar is now ready to go. Step 4. To explore different calendar views, tap on the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. This will slide out a panel showing different view modes. Want to see your schedule in a clean list? Tap on Schedule. This mode displays all your upcoming events in a day-by-day format, which is great if you like things organized. Step 5. If you want a broader view, go back to the menu and select Week or Month. Week View lets you see a full week of events at a glance, while Month View is perfect for planning ahead. Simply tap the one you prefer, and the calendar will update instantly. Step 6. Now go to the menu again. You'll see a refresh icon, usually shaped like a circular arrow. Tapping this ensures your calendar is up to date with any new events or reminders you've recently added from other devices or accounts. It's a simple but powerful feature. Step 7. On the same screen, you'll notice options related to your Google account, including tasks, birthdays, and holidays. If you'd like to hide any of these, simply tap the checkbox next to each one to turn them off. Step 8. Now, scroll down to the Settings option located at the bottom of the menu list. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to the main settings screen where you can customize the app further. Step 9. Inside Settings, find and select the General section. Here, you can adjust basic preferences. Scroll down to find the Theme option. Tap it, and you'll be able to choose between Light, Dark, or System Default. Choose your desired theme, and the app will automatically apply the change. Step 10. Below the theme setting, you'll find more general options, such as notification preferences, start of the week, and time zone settings. Feel free to adjust any of these based on your needs. Step 11. Now, go back to the home screen of the calendar. If you want to add a new event, like a birthday reminder, simply tap the plus icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Then, choose Birthday from the list of event types. Step 12. After selecting the birthday option, choose the Google account you want to link it to. Set the desired date and time for the birthday, customize the notification settings, and once everything looks good, tap the Save button at the top. Step 13. If you want to search for an existing event or reminder, tap the magnifying glass icon located at the top right corner. For example, type the word birthday, and the app will list all the events matching that keyword instantly. Step 14. Lastly, take a look at the top right corner of the screen again. You'll see your profile icon there. Tap it, and you'll have the option to add another Google account if you'd like to manage multiple calendars in one place. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.